Welcome back, guys. Forms. We use forms to conveniently fill in the data so that we can easily fill the data in the spreadsheet or in any database. In Excel, we have a very simple way of using the forms and getting the data in. I will share with you a quick example here. For example, on the screen you see the data entry. So if I have to enter the data here, it's quite I will say unstable in terms of filling the table. What is the date, what is the name, what is the product, what is the sale, a profit, etc, etc. It could be handy if we have a form where we can fill in the data. Very easy. We have in Excel a full form feature which can be very useful for you. I'm going to show you quickly now how it works. I click on the form and now you see this is demonstrating all the fields that we saw in the table down there. How I need to fill in, I will click on the new, I will fill in more data. For example, I will enter the name of any name. I will enter the name of Ali. Product is, let's say, Philips. Sale is, let's say, 1000, and profit is, let's say, 2500. That is 1. So you see the data has been entered and it's taking today's date because that is the standard date that I picked. Now, how we can have this form in our spreadsheet quickly. You remember this quick access toolbar, and we had this button on the corner which we use to customize this quick access toolbar. So we are going to click on customize quick access toolbar, more commands, and instead of popular commands here, I will select all commands. When I have all the commands now, I will go down to the form part and you will see in F there must be a form. Okay, form is not here. Why? Because the form was already picked up. So I'm going to move it here. Now if I pick F and I see form, F-O, there is, oh my goodness, it's moving so fast. Here is the form. Click add, the form is added, and okay. So next time when you select your table, this is appearing here, the form, the same form we added with the quick access toolbar. I will simply click on it and it will now give me the data entry format, and I can move amongst these different data entries here. I can set the criteria here as well, which means now I can change the date as well. So what should be the criteria for this particular form? So guys, I hope it was handy, it was useful for all of you. Stay tuned to my channel by subscribing it if you haven't done so far. Please don't forget to comment and like and share this video. And if you believe something was more or something was less, I will be happy to give your comments a consideration in my coming videos. This helps me a lot. So thank you very much for your consistent support. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I look forward to see you again very soon. Till then, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye bye.